Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The Best Jack Black Beard is probably one of the most sought-after grooming products for men looking to achieve a well-maintained and healthy beard, offering a unique blend of natural ingredients designed to nourish, soften, and promote growth while simultaneously soothing the skin underneath. This premium line of beard care essentials aims to elevate your grooming routine, transforming a potentially unruly beard into a distinguished feature that commands attention and confidence. If you're serious about your beard, this is a brand that deserves your consideration. Number 5. Viking Revolution Beard Oil, Sandalwood. Tired of a wild and unruly beard? Introducing our premium beard oil, designed to bring order to your facial hair. Get ready for a smoother, more manageable beard. Crafted with natural argan and jojoba oils, this formula nourishes your beard from root to tip. Experience the power of nature for a healthier beard. Say goodbye to dryness and brittleness. Our oil works to soften your beard, making it feel incredibly smooth. It also strengthens each strand for a more resilient look. Keep your beard and the skin beneath it hydrated. This conditioner penetrates deeply, providing lasting moisture without a greasy feel. Enjoy a comfortable and healthy beard. Experience the rich, masculine aroma of sandalwood. This signature scent adds a touch of sophistication to your grooming routine. It's the perfect finishing touch for your beard. Choose the best for your beard. Our commitment to quality ingredients ensures you get a superior product. Elevate your grooming with Viking Revolution. What we like. This oil is packed with natural goodness like argan and jojoba oils. It effectively softens and moisturizes your beard, leaving it feeling great. If you're looking for a simple, natural solution to a softer, healthier beard with a classic sandalwood scent, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The beard oil is great for softening and conditioning the beard, making it more manageable. It has a pleasant, subtle scent that isn't overpowering. The product absorbs well without leaving a greasy residue. Number 4. Viking Revolution Ultimate Grooming Kit for Men. Introducing the Ultimate Grooming Kit designed specifically for men. Achieve a perfectly styled look with ease. This kit includes a premium boar bristle brush. It helps to distribute natural oils and smooth your hair and beard. Also included is a natural wood comb. It's perfect for detangling and shaping your beard or mustache without causing static. Nourish and condition your facial hair with our sandalwood balm and oil. They leave your beard feeling soft and smelling great. For precise styling, we've added sharp scissors. They allow for easy trimming of stray hairs and maintaining your desired look. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for complete beard and mustache care. Elevate your grooming routine today. What we like. This ultimate grooming kit provides all the essentials for a well-maintained beard. It comes with a boar brush, wood comb, sandalwood balm, oil, and scissors. If you're someone who wants a comprehensive set to tackle every aspect of beard care, from styling to conditioning, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The beard oil is fantastic, it softens the beard and makes it manageable. It has a great scent that isn't overpowering. The pump dispenser is convenient and dispenses the right amount of product. Number 3. Viking Revolution Ultimate Beard Kit. Tired of unruly facial hair? Discover the ultimate solution for a perfectly groomed beard. This comprehensive kit has everything you need. Inside, you'll find a premium brush and comb to tame and style. Achieve a neat and tidy appearance with ease. Our specially formulated balm and oil work to condition your beard. Experience softer, healthier-looking facial hair. Keep your beard and mustache looking sharp with the included high-quality scissors. Perfect for detailed shaping and trimming. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This all-in-one beard grooming kit is ideal for any man who takes pride in his appearance. Surprise him today. What we like. This ultimate beard kit offers a complete solution for beard grooming. It includes a brush, comb, balm, oil, and scissors, making it incredibly convenient. If you're looking for a comprehensive gift for the bearded man in your life, or simply want a convenient all-in-one solution for yourself, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. The beard oil is great for softening and conditioning. It leaves the beard feeling soft and manageable, without being greasy. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. Number 2. Scotch Porter Restorative Leave-In Beard Conditioner. Tired of a dry, frizzy beard? Introducing a revolutionary leave-in conditioner designed to transform your facial hair. Get ready for a softer, more manageable beard. Experience deep conditioning like never before. This formula penetrates each strand, providing intense moisture without weighing your beard down. Say goodbye to coarseness and hello to silkiness. Enjoy the benefits of a deeply conditioned beard with a surprisingly lightweight feel. It absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue behind. Just pure comfort and control. Tame that unruly frizz and bring back the natural shine to your beard. This conditioner works to smooth the hair cuticle, reducing flyaways and enhancing its healthy luster. Keep your beard hydrated all day long. Its powerful moisturizing agents lock in moisture, preventing dryness and ensuring your beard looks and feels its best from morning to night. Whether your beard is dull, dry, or coarse, this leave-in conditioner is your ultimate solution. It's formulated to revitalize and improve the health and appearance of all beard types. What we like. This leave-in conditioner provides deep conditioning without a heavy feel. It works to reduce frizz and deliver lasting hydration and shine. If your beard is often dull, dry, or coarse, and you desire a smooth, hydrated finish with a lightweight feel, this product is designed for you. What people say. The beard oil is fantastic, it really softens the beard and makes it manageable. I love the scent of this beard oil, it's subtle and masculine. This beard balm is great for taming flyaways and keeping my beard looking neat. Number 1. Scotch Porter Conditioning Beard Balm. Are you tired of dealing with coarse, dry facial hair? Our conditioning balm is designed to smooth and shape your beard, making it more manageable. Experience deep moisturization that softens even the toughest beard hair. It leaves your beard feeling incredibly smooth to the touch. This balm doesn't just style, it actively encourages growth for a fuller, healthier-looking beard. Achieve the beard you've always wanted. Enjoy our signature original scent, a subtle yet refreshing fragrance that complements your beard. It's the perfect finishing touch. Simply scoop a small amount and work it through your beard. You'll see and feel the difference with consistent use. This is your all-in-one solution for a perfectly conditioned and styled beard. It's designed for the modern man who cares about his appearance. What we like. This conditioning balm is designed to smooth, shape, and moisturize coarse facial hair. It also aims to encourage growth for a fuller look. If you're looking to style your beard, manage dryness, and promote a healthier, fuller appearance, this balm is an excellent choice. What people say. This beard oil is fantastic. It makes my beard soft and manageable, and it smells great. I love the pump dispenser. It makes it easy to get the right amount of oil without making a mess. My beard has never looked better. It's shiny and healthy, and it doesn't feel greasy at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.